Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. It's an honor for me to be one of the presenter at the fifth Borobudur International Symposium. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Brohoti Atmoko. I'm from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Warga Surakarta. I would like to thanks to UNIMA, Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang, for giving me the opportunity to present the result of my research. Okay, let me share screen first. So, the title of my research paper is Improving the Performance of a Gas Stove-Powered Thermoelectric Generator by Adding a Fin Hot Set Heat Exchanger. We're going to structure of presentation. There are four content in this presentation, namely in introduction, first introduction, second is a method, third is result, and fourth is conclusion. For first content is introduction. We all know that the success of the Indonesian government in carrying out a program to convert the use of oil-fueled stove to LPG gas stove in 200, 2007 is likely successful. However, it should be noted that the efficiency of the heat energy used for cooking on a conventional LPG gas stove is only around 66.27% of the total energy supplied to the gas stove. At the same time, the rest is wasted into the environmental in the form of heat energy and combustion gas. Uh, the technology of a thermoelectric generator is a technology that directly convert the temperature difference on both sides of the TEG surface into electrical energy through the Seebeck effect and the semiconductor material component that make up the TEG. This is a basic principle of TEG. There are three main component in applying a TEG module. First is hot side heat exchanger. Second is thermoelectric module, and third cold side heat exchanger. To maximize the TEG's performance, uh, three components must be considered. The TEG performance to uh, produce electrical output. To maximize three component, it must be considered. Uh, so, from based on studies that have been carried out, there is a need for deeper identification regarding the use of waste heat and in LPG gas stove by varying the hot side exchanger with small fin, long fin, and turtle fin. This research is important to obtain data regarding the type of HHX capable of produce the most optimal power from the TEG module. The second content is a method. You can see this is a schematic diagram of my research. Schematic diagram of my research. You can see uh, there are four THG module, thermoelectric module, around of fire in the stove. And then the cooling system of cold surface utilities circulating water with a water volume of 4 liters. And then for data collected using Arduino data logger as a temperature data acquisition. Meanwhile, the electrical output from the TEG is measured when the load module is loading with light, DC light to find the net power output from the TEG. The electrical output data collection uses a USB multimeter to acquire data. Apart from that, the electrical output data aims to determine the performance of the TEG installed on the gas stove in the form of voltage, current, and net power output produced by each variation of the fin hot-set heat exchanger. The fin hot-set exchanger in uh, this uh, part. Uh, then the performance of the TEG installed on the gas stove can be known through the data analysis process. Okay. There is three models of hot, fin hot set heat exchanger, and the position of temperature data collection in this region. There are three types of fin hot set heat exchanger. The first is HHX long, short, and tilted. And then next content is result. First is heat absorbed by fin hot set exchanger. From the calculation, uh, the use of the tilted fin hot set exchanger can absorb the most heat energy from heat source, namely 94.112 joule per second, while the use of long fin and short fin absorb less heat energy from heat source. This indicates that a tilted fin is more effective as a heat exchanger component in GSPTG. The second result is net power output from GSPTG when using FHHX type short fin, long fin, and tilted fin. You can see in this picture the effect of fin hot set exchanger variation on the net power output produced by GSPTG. The net power output from GSPTG is obtained from the temperature difference in the TEG, which produce output in the form of voltage and current for its FHHX variation. Meanwhile, net power output is the produce of current and voltage. Next, this is a result of net power output by calculation versus experiment. You can see in this figure, in the long fin variation, the electrical power produced based on measurement result is 2.109 watts, while the calculation result shown that the power is 5.727 watts. Furthermore, the power produced by the fin hot set heat exchanger short fin from the result of measurement and calculation is 2.008 watts and 5.911 watts. Respectively, of the three variations of the fin hot set exchanger fin used, the fin hot set exchanger titled fin produce the highest power compared to the other variation. The measurement result and calculation of net power output from GSPTG show that the fin hot set exchanger tilted fin is 3.369 and 9.035 watts respectively. Okay, this is the end of conclusion. Based on the analysis and calculation in this research, it can be concluded that fin hot side exchanger influence the energy balance and electrical power produced by GSPTG. This indicated that the tilted fin is more effective as a heat exchanger component on the hot side heat exchange on the hot side of the TEG. The fin hot side exchanger tilted model absorbed the most heat energy from heat source, namely 94.112 joule per second. The result of measurement and calculation of output in the form of power from GPSTG using the fin offset heated fin model also obtained the highest value compared to the long and small fin variation, where the result of measurement and calculation obtained value of 3.3969 watts and 9.035 watts respectively. Our team, the author is Agus Jamaldi, second author and corresponding author is me, Nugroho Atmoko, and the third author is Hasan Hamis Hasan, and the fourth author is Variono. And well, this bring to me to end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.